What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'm checking out a new artist goes by the name HUTA. 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 Boom. This is the music video. Hopefully I pronounced the name right. Let's check it out. I know I like this. Okay. New artist in the building. Okay, that's a cool scene. I like that scene.
자연스럽게 빠져 암소리 충분은 없어 대화령 welcome
Okay. Bro look like an evil villain. Like real talk, bro like he one of them super evil villain bosses, bro. At his final stage. Blah, blah. Okay. 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 Bro can sing. Hold on, bro can sing. Boom shakalaka. Hey, that was lit. Hold on, I had to sit up. Boom shakalaka. Okay. Boom shakalaka. I ain't never seen this before, but I feel like it was just so catchy that I can say it. And I watched the caption, so don't get it twisted now. I just gotta taste some music. Okay. Oh. Hold on, bro, cutting up. He rapping. Bombs. Chumcha, yeah. It's lit. Shakalaka. Hey, I like how you said that. Boom shakalaka. It is real. This is real. Yeah. Hold on. Boom shakalaka. Oh. Boom. Oh. Get him. Boom shakalaka. Yeah. I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready. That's a cool scene. I low-key loving this scene, and the people in the background got like some crazy mask on. It's cool. I'm loving the scene. Bro, take his shirt off. It's getting serious. Oh, hell no. Bro, levitated. He levitated. No. No. That's my warning to go. He looked possessed. He in the middle of the woods saying boom shakalaka with a group of look like some ninjas and looking possessed. This shit crazy. This wild. Hold on. Hold on. Boom shaka laka. Yeah. Boom shaka laka. Boom shaka. Oh, now he put the mask on. Yeah, they Persian tonight. They in that woods going. They about to style Persian. Y'all don't go to the woods. All right? Real talk. That joke was dope though. I'm gonna go check out more of his music. It was funny. I love it. It was scary at the same time though. That floating part had me second thinking like they doing a ritual or something. But I'm gonna catch y'all this. So y'all let me know y'all think about that inside the comment section. Say they ain't not forget to rock out. Boom shaka laka laka. I had to say that word, bro. And we out.